Hey guys, welcome to the Glam Room. My name is Dwayna, but some people call me Glamazon1026, and today we are doing long-lasting makeup. I first did this tutorial on MTF Cosmetics Snapchat when I did their Snapchat takeover, but I said, why don't I just have this information out there for the rest of you guys so that it doesn't disappear within 24 hours, so that everybody can benefit from this information. So if you want your makeup to stay, like all day stay, I'm talking about 6-7 hours stay, keep on watching. I'm gonna get you right, okay? We got makeup for weddings, we got makeup for graduations, we got makeup for, funerals? I don't know. Whatever it is that you want, this tutorial will help you. If you got an appointment that you gotta go to and you want to make sure that your makeup stays through that appointment, guess what? I got you. So keep watching and you'll see exactly how to get this look. So I forgot what video I was doing, and I already did my eyebrows because that's how I usually start my videos, with my eyebrows done. If my whole face isn't done, my eyebrows are at least done, but I forgot I was doing a full face how to keep your makeup on forever tutorial. Please forgive me. Let's just pretend I planned this, okay? Great. Starting off by putting down some Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm using this as a moisturizing primer for my skin. You really only need a little bit, and this will like work on my whole face. So I'm just going to rub it in. Next, I'm taking the Basha White Charcoal Mattifying Pore Treatment to just put right under my eyes, because this is kind of like, you will see me get greasy in here if I'm wearing my makeup for a long time. I'm also going to put a little bit on my forehead. This is basically just in the T-zone. Next, we're taking our Beauty Bakery Yellow Flower Setting Powder to tap into our face. Now, usually I'll do this like under my eyes and on my nose and in my T-zone area, but I'm going to do it on the whole face because I want the whole face to sit today, okay? This next step is very imperative for your makeup to last all day and for your makeup to lay on your face, because we're trying to be caked up without looking caked up, okay? This is what we're going to do. We are going to take this Ben Nye Final Seal. We are going to spray it all over our face and let it dry. This is a makeup sealer. This is theater grade makeup. It is for people who are used to being under really heavy lights, and if you want your makeup to stay, this is perfect because it helps create a seal between your skin and between the makeup, and it helps keep your oils at bay. Now we just wait for it to dry. You can actually feel it kind of tightening on your skin. It's not anything that's uncomfortable, it's just, you know, it's working. Next, we are coming in with the e.l.f. Color Correcting Stick in the shade Dark. I am going to be using a lot of color corrector, and the reason being is if I want my makeup to last all day, it's probably a special occasion, and if it's a special occasion, I want to look flawless. So usually I just do under my eyes, but today I'm going to do like these dark spots on my cheeks right over here. And then I have some blemishes from some old acne up here. If you don't have any dark circles like this or dark spots, you can 100% skip this step. You want a foundation that looks skin-like. That is kind of key here. If it's too matte, it can start cracking. If it is too dewy, you can look like an oil slick, regardless of everything that we put down on our face. So you want to stick to something that's kind of in the middle, so like a satiny skin finish, demi matte is perfect for that. So the two foundations that I have that I usually use in cases like this are the Hourglass Stick Foundation or Maybelline Superstay. Now I know Superstay is matte, but to me, I don't know, on my skin, it never looks super matte on my skin. Today I'm going to be using the Hourglass Stick Foundation in the shade Golden Almond. Look at this coverage. It's amazing. So now we're just going to go about our regular merry way. We are going to do our highlighting and contouring. I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chestnut and my Black Opal Stick Foundation in Suede Mocha to highlight and contour my face. I'm setting my highlight with the Beauty Bakery Yellow Flower Setting Powder and the rest of my face with the Black Opal Soft Velvet Finishing Powder. I'm going to use Black Radiance Toasted Almond Baked Blush as a bronzer slash contour. Now, last step, Ben Nye Final Seal. This is going to help ensure that your makeup stays all day. It is like armor for your makeup. Last June, I went to a wedding. It was in a barn. It was hot. And I was sweating. And I came home, and my face was exactly the way I left 7 hours before. So, if you want your makeup to stay, get you some Ben Nye Final Seal. You kind of want to drown yourself in it so that you know that the makeup is there and it's just gonna stay there and it's just gonna be there and it's just gonna be good. And that is it. It is now 12:49 in the afternoon. I'm going to come back with you later. I'm not going to do anything to this face. I'm not going to blot it. I'm not going to put more setting powder on it. I'm just going to come back. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like after about 6, maybe even 7 hours worth of wear. Okay? I will see you guys in a few seconds.
One eternity later.
I gotta hurry up and do this update because my food is here and I'm hungry. So, just gonna be quick. Alright guys, it is currently 8:29 p.m. and I think I've been wearing this makeup for about 8 hours. As you can tell, I am not like, I'm shiny, but I'm not like super shiny. This is why it was important for me to wear like a matte foundation or like a foundation that is, you know, closer to skin-like, because if it was dewy or a luminous foundation, you would see all the oils right now. I have been around town today. I went to the park with my dog. We went to go get him some kibble because we ran out. What else did we do? I filmed 4 looks, or shot 4 looks with, yeah, something like that. Yeah, so I've been doing a lot today. And it still looks pretty good. The makeup hasn't moved. It hasn't slid down my face. It hasn't slid down my nose. Aside from some oiliness, just a little bit of oiliness coming through, I am good. I'm straight, right? If you have an event or something going on that you need your makeup to be long lasting for, this technique is it. If you do tend to be on the oilier side, I do suggest investing in some type of powder that you can, probably like a pressed powder that you can walk with and just like with like a little makeup sponge and just kind of dab it. Right now I have the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder in the shade Dark. This is not it doesn't do anything for me. It doesn't show up on my skin, so it's pretty good for like last minute touch-ups or blotting or something. So I'm just gonna take the back of my beauty blender and just kind of go in with it in the spaces where I am a little bit shiny. And voila magic, you are no longer shiny. If you enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. It lets me know that you are enjoying the content that I am putting out. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Glamazon1026. I look forward to speaking and interacting with you guys there. Thank you again for watching my video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.